Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So excited. Today I'm gonna be cooking some of the yummiest, creamiest mushroom chicken fettuccine Alfredo ever. So good, yum. Look at all these delicious ingredients. Let's go over those now. Chicken breast, mushrooms, chicken bouillon, heavy cream, butter, Parmesan and cream cheese, olive oil, fresh parsley, minced garlic, garlic powder, flour, salt and pepper, and last, those fettuccine noodles. Okay, so let's get to making this beautiful cream sauce. But first, I suggest dropping your noodles in the water and let them cook and boil while we're making this sauce. Hey Google, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
All right, so on medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, I'll be adding in 2 minced cloves of garlic. I'm gonna brown these a little, and then I'll be adding in our 2 cups of mushrooms. Once your mushrooms are tender, go ahead and remove and set aside until later. All right, once your mushrooms are removed, go ahead and drop in a half a cup of butter. All right, now that the butter is all melted, we're gonna start adding the rest of our ingredients. 2 tablespoons of flour, whisk well together. 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 cups of heavy cream, 8-ounce package of cream cheese, refill your cocktail. Keep stirring until cream cheese has softened and everything is blended together. Sprinkle in a dash of salt and pepper for taste. 1½ cups of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, go ahead and stir and mix well together. I'm adding a little more pepper for flavor. Add in 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, reduce and simmer on low for a few minutes, then return your mushrooms back to your pan. Next, add in 1½ pounds of cooked diced chicken breast. After everything is mixed well together, we're going to drop our noodles in. Give those noodles a nice toss and coat them with that cheese sauce. Now grab a plate and serve. Now once you've served, you can top it off with some Parmesan cheese, and I like to always add some fresh parsley. So excited. Can't wait to taste it, you guys. Want to make sure I get that mushroom and that chicken, because that's like the best part. It's so good. So yummy. So cheesy. That cream cheese, you guys, really makes it. That's my secret ingredient. I love it. I think you're going to love it. It's got so much cream. It's cheesy. The mushrooms, the chicken, the garlic. I mean, what more could you ask for, you guys? This is amazing. I love it. All right, I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also head over to all my social medias, The Jen and Gina Show. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay. Just click the button right here. See you guys soon.